hold on just 1 second, guys. Okay, just bear with me here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. You see, we still have a long, long way to go, and well, I needed more time. Hey guys, real quick before the next video though, I did want to say thank you to the people that are going to be listed throughout this little segment right here. Sorry I'm having to use my phone again. I'm cheating. I've had to actually make a little spreadsheet to keep up with y'all's names now as you're starting to come in so fast. We really do appreciate it. But I had to make a point to thank a few more of you for taking your time to subscribe to the channel and how much it really means to us. Also, I wanted to say before the next video, you're going to hear us give Kory a lot of crap in this video about just driving up the trail. But honestly, truthfully, guys, it's just to give him a hard time. Kory has an amazing eye for seeing lines up different trails. And all he's going to be doing in this next segment is we're headed up RockFace, Davis, Oklahoma, Crossbar Ranch, and he's trying a little bit different line. That's what Kory does. He's always looking for something more challenging and something to make it more fun. So while we give him a lot of crap, it's just to joke around with him, and he knows it because he really is truly special to us, and he is an excellent spotter whenever we go out trail riding.
Come on, Kory.
Well, that's not making me feel good.
Come on, Kory.
Why didn't you go to the right?
We spoke so highly of you. No water. I saw a stock Bronco do this. He is bound and determined he's going to get through that hole.
You suck at this game.
Mike would like drive up beside me and go, what's the problem?
See, that's where he should have gone.
That's where he should have went to the first place, yeah. Man, I feel bad now. The stock Bronco drove right up it.
I made it work.
Huh?
It's working. We're taking a picture now.
Did you make it work?
A moving picture.
A movie picture. How to make it work.
You know, those things are called movies.